Yep, I loved it when they did do this to me. You do it because I can't. Aw, there you go. She's celebrating with you today. Right. Thank you. Are those beautiful? Is it lavender? Mine are already dead. Yeah.
They'll last longer than roses.
That sounds awesome. I'm gonna dry them, put them in your bedroom.
Lavender. No.
Are yours still blooming? Mine seems to die out quicker than most.
I don't pay attention. I just want my car for a while.
But mine's not as big as some of them.
No, I have a whole like 50 feet of fence line, 3 feet. What used to be very well cared flowers. So I just let it go wild. Lavender.
What's that? Oh yeah. Very good.
I can't hear it.
There's a reason for that.
Oh, okay.
You mean we're not supposed to hear it? Not yet.
It was
Warm it up. We're not supposed to listen yet.
it's only a minute long, so I was telling Les, bring tea all till a man, stay for the sun, wine for the one who made the rain come. Seagulls sing your hearts away, as while the sailors sing, the children play. Oh Lord, how they play and play for that happy day, for that This one's for Cat.
It's fun to see how long they last.
It's not time to make a change, just relax, take it slow, we all sit down, Patrick Hall, there's so much you have to know, find a girl and settle down, if you want, you can marry. Will you help me out here, Danny? Can you even hear it out there? I don't.
A little bit.
I think your monitors are really hot.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just hold on for 1 second. Hold on for a second. I think your
Yeah.
All right, I'm just muting everything. Everything's muted. I'm just looking. Okay, so the red's going to your mic.
That's yellow. Yellow.
What's your red?
Yellow's my guitar, or red's my guitar.
Red's your guitar.
Yeah. It looks because of it.
That yellow of these.
Those are birthday dollars. Yeah. When I worked at the plasma center, that was a big dollar.
Maybe hold on for 1 second.
Yeah.
Get them, yeah. You just
He says, you better finish. There's no way I'm finishing.
turn that. Oh, did I turn it on?
I got this, I couldn't find a
No, it's not.
I have this one in my hand.
Hold on. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, just get it coming out of the mains. You can turn those off and just get it coming out of the mains. See, that's what I say.
If you are ever like kidnapped and you get a chance to call 911 and that person comes in on you, if you tell 911, I want to order a pizza.
Yeah.
They know.
They will
They
send
will
me
send
that
out
address.
Yes.
Tell me when to command.
Think of that.
Yeah,
There's a hand signal.
it's not common.
These were really free.
If I see you told me something different, that would be one. Okay.
Find the girl, set it down. If you want,
I can hardly hear you. Well, you don't have the mains on. There's, on my board.